The Beginner's Guide to Building My Skincare Routine I Wished I Knew at 18. To be honest, what does it mean to build my skincare routine? If the term skincare routine sounds new to you, it's normal. It is important to understand why a good skincare routine is essential for anyone. A healthy skin makes you more attractive and confident as a person. If you're always looking to use makeup to cover all that pimples or uneven skin tone, you should take a step back and reevaluate. Why not consider building a simple, proper skincare routine so that you shine without makeup? Here is our beginner's guide on how to start building a good skincare routine. Step number 1: cleansing. After a long day, the first step you need is to use a strong makeup remover to remove the waterproof colors you're wearing during the day. If you're using a liquid-based makeup remover, gently wipe down your face and neck with a soaked cotton pad. Do this at least 2 to 3 times to ensure that you have thoroughly cleansed your face. Getting a good cleanser will help to remove any additional impurities that were not removed by the makeup remover. Cleansing your skin with a gentle cleanser in the morning is always encouraged to remove any dead skin that surfaced. Massage your skin gently with your favorite cleanser and wash it away with clear water. Step number 2: toning. Toners help with the additional step of removing any further impurities on your skin after cleansing. Besides, toners help your skin absorb the nutrients that you will be slathering on next. The right way to tone your skin is usually to wet or soak your cotton pad with the toner first. Step number 3: essence or serum. Essences or serums are lightweight yet packed full with nutrients required for your skin. They are products concentrated with various properties and nutrients for extra hydration, anti-aging, or whitening. It is best to apply essences or serums before applying the thicker layer of moisturizer. Step number 4: moisturizing. Moisturizers keep your skin hydrated and supple. When applying moisturizers to your face, always apply some on your neck as well and in an upward motion. At night, do not use moisturizers with SPF, as the ingredients used may interfere with your skin's own repair system. Step number 5: eye cream or serum. The skin around our eyes is also the thinnest and most delicate. Extra care and attention must be paid to prevent crow's feet and dark bags. Eye creams are packed with nutrients to restore an all-nighter and keep your eyes looking fresh the next day. In the morning, use a lightweight, rollerball type of eye serum as its cooling effect helps to reduce puffiness, brighten, and wake the sleepy eye. At night, use a denser, restorative eye cream to prevent the air conditioner from drying out our skin. As a beginner to a skincare routine, never, ever leave out your eye cream. Step number 6: sunscreen. Sunscreen is an important step to finish off your morning skincare routine. The harmful UV rays from the sun will age your skin dramatically. Sunscreen should always be applied every morning, whether you're staying indoors or heading out. Your skin will always need protection from those UV rays bouncing off in all directions, whether you see the sun or not. A good skincare routine would definitely take a lot of self-discipline and effort on your part. Keep up this skincare routine for at least 21 days until you can perform this routine unconsciously. It works, trust us. Bettega, your premium beauty outlet. Subscribe with us for more skincare and lifestyle tips. Visit us at bettega.com for great beauty skincare products